County in northeastern Georgia, southwestern Clark County in northeastern Georgia, northeastern Walton County in north central Georgia, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bogart, Oregon, 9 miles northwest of Watkinsville, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watkinsville, Bogart, North High Shoals, Bishop, Athens, Clark County, State Botanical Garden of Georgia, Beach Hills, and Eastville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 6